Yo, what up? What up? Good morning. Just 1 second. So this morning we're going to be going over the DXY and we're going to be going over AU and we are going to be going over gold. So I'll give it about another 30 seconds and then we'll get started. We won't be on too long today. We'll probably be on only about 5 minutes. So what I am looking for today within the next hour and a half, I'm looking for a higher price on gold. I want to see gold reach into the 2000 range. So that is what I'm expecting on gold for today. So we'll start on gold. Just give it a little bit more time, like 30 more seconds, and we'll get started. I really should have held this buy yesterday. I'm sorry, the sell. Well, I sold it down into this range, but I noticed that there was an ABC pattern forming here. So with that being said, I should have bought it here and kind of held that up. Um, because I was looking for a sweep of this high before the decline anyway. Start to pick up momentum probably within the next hour towards the upside. So for this morning gold scalp trade, I am bullish on gold. Let's see. If you want to trade this safely, you can just wait for price action to break above 1990 if you'd like, or you can enter now. Basically, you can enter anytime between now and the next hour. You can look to enter the trade. Um, that's pretty much it on this one. As long as we don't break this low, we should be good to go for another push towards the upside. If we break this low, then we'll dig in a little bit deeper. Let me see where exactly where we go. Okay, so this range is pretty much where we would go. We would drop down here, or we would drop down here. So if we don't respect now and continue towards the upside, then more than likely we would see if gold is to break that low, we would see gold drop to either this point and then go up, or potentially this point and then to go up. And my bad, because I'm putting these ups a little too far. So what I'm looking for is maybe something like this and then a decline, right? So this and then a decline. So I'm going to key in on 2000 when we reach that level. And depending on what we do there, will kind of give me the vision on potentially where we might go next on gold. Okay. So for now, just on the short term bias, I'm looking for another push up for this one. Okay. So that is gold. We're going to go over the DXY. So DXY, we were looking at basically a key point yesterday, which was this support. If this support was broken, then we were going to expect further downside on the DXY. So the support has been broken. We did get an impulsive push towards the downside, which should have shown in relation towards Euro USD, pushing towards the upside more, and odd USD continuously pushing towards the upside. So I think last update I gave y'all was once we break this high, we can look to see price start to extend towards the upside to around that 66 level. So as the DXY continues towards the downside, we should see the dollar pairs, Euro USD, AU continue to push towards the upside. Right now, it does look like we're in a corrective phase, and we're potentially going for another push towards the downside. So I'm actually seeing now the DXY, since it's cleared this support, I'm actually seeing it lead into 102 first. So 102, I would say 102.9, and then we'll have 102.5 kind of next on the radar. So for now, we should get another push towards the downside on this. Other than that, man, that's all I have for y'all this morning. Just wanted to give y'all those updates, mainly gold. As y'all know, I've been kind of focusing on gold for a set strategy. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Again, we're eyeing gold over the next, I would say, 2 hours for our entry point, and then we'll be able to ride it for the next 4 hours or so, as long as it goes in our direction. I'll keep y'all updated in the chat room. If y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way, y'all don't miss out on any future streams. If y'all are looking for a good broker, because I know a lot of the brokers are getting shut down right now. Literally, some of the old brokers that I was using, I can't even open their MT4 anymore. And some of them I was actually using to have like my indicators in the background if I did look at some kind of indicator. So I can't even use those anymore. So I'm glad I did switch to the broker that I do use a few weeks ago. So if you guys are looking for a regulated broker, that's pretty good, pretty innovative too. You know, everything, I love everything about their platform. Their platform is streamlined. It's very user friendly. It's not hard to understand. They have a lot of different pairs for you to trade, crypto, all kinds of stuff. Just a lot of options for you as a trader, and a lot of benefits for you as a trader too. Different types of accounts, Islamic accounts. You're able to have a lot of different options. And the longer you're actually with the broker, um, the more you'll be able to unlock as far as like potential leverage and things like that. So a lot of different benefits that they offer you guys. So if y'all are interested in a broker, because I know everything is going crazy right now, the broker that I do use is down below, as well as our email, our free Telegram chat room. All of that information is down below. Okay, cool. Our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, all of that down below too. So again, gold this morning, we are looking for buys on gold DXY. We are looking for further continuation down. Um, Keying in on 103, that needs to hold. So that does need to hold as resistance. We can get a little bit of a pop up, that's normal, something like that, and then a drop that would be perfectly normal. But mainly it needs to kind of hold. So I don't want to see the DXY break back into this range here. Then we'll need to kind of reanalyze on price action. Cool. So other than that, we should see IUSD continue up into that 66 range, and your USD should continue up as well. So I did take a loss on Euro USD this week. Crazy. Uh, yeah, we should see Euro USD into 1.1 thousand. So that should be where it's actually headed next, into that major quarter point area for Euro USD, and then we should maybe see a reaction there. We are at a good liquidity sweep point. I'm not gonna lie, we are at a good point to where we could see a nice decline here, but because of how the dollar is set up and it continues to extend, I'm a little bit more bullish on this, at least to this level, and then we might see that potential fall. But I'm not trading EU. I'm not even trading any of the other dollar pairs. The only dollar pairs I'm interested in is going to be AU, and I'm focusing on gold for this morning. So that's all, man. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's trading day. And again, join the chat room. It's free. Link down below. I will see you all soon.